children, good morning to all. How are you? I hope you are all stay at home and safe at home. Be happy and be safe. Eat only healthy food. Drink lot of juice, buttermilk and tender coconut like that. Don't eat junk food. Okay? In this video, we are going to see two topics. Part 1, verbs, and part 2, am, is, are. Okay, now we are going to see verbs. Children, take page number 54. Verbs. V-E-R-B-S. Verbs. Let's get started. First one, circle all the action words in the poem. You should circle all the action words in this poem. Sit or stand, roll in the sand, walk or run, time for some fun. Color and write with pencil so bright. Once again I repeat children. Sit or stand, roll in the sand, walk or run, time for some fun. Color and write with pencil so bright. So in this poem, you have to circle the action words. What is meant by action words? Action means you are doing something. For example, sit, stand, walk, run, color and write, read, swim, dance, sing. These actions are called action words. So like that, you have to circle the action words in this poem. So what are all the action words in this poem? Sit, stand, walk, run, color and write. Sit, S-I-T, sit, S-T-A-N-D, stand, W-A-L-K, walk, R-U-N, run, C-O-L-O-U-R, color, write, W-R-I-T-E, write. These words are called action words. You have to circle in this poem. Are you clear, children? See the same page. Read these sentences. The monkey eats bananas. The monkey eats bananas. Renuka dances well. Renuka dances well. Ashoka flies kites. Ashoka flies kites. The squirrel lives in a hole in the tree. The squirrel lives in a hole in the tree. The words eats, dances, flies and lives are verbs. They tell us what the nouns monkey, Renuka, Ashoka and squirrel do. Children, tell me what you can understand these sentences. The monkey eats banana means monkey is eating bananas. So eating is a verb. Renuka dances well. What she does? She dances. That means she does some actions. That is called verb. Doing actions are called verb. So Renuka doing some action. What she does? Renuka dances well. So dances is a verb. Ashoka flies kites. What the Ashoka is doing? He flying the kites. What's the action word here? Flies. Ashoka flies the kites. So flying is the action word. So it is called as a verb. The fourth one, the squirrel lives in a hole in the tree. What is meant by squirrel? Squirrel na anil. Anil enga irukku? And the hole kulla irukku. So lives is an action word. The squirrel is doing the action. He lives in the hole in the tree. So lives is an action word. What's the action word here? Lives. So lives, it is called as a verb. See, verbs means verbs are words which tells us what a person or animal or a thing does. ஒரு பர்சன், ஒரு அனிமல் இல்லைனா திங் அவங்க என்ன பண்ணுறாங்க அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறது தான் verb. See, when the noun or pronoun is singular, the verb is singular. When the noun or pronoun is plural, the verb is also plural. In the above examples, monkey, Renuka, Ashoka and squirrel are singular nouns. So, they take singular nouns. For example, eats, dances, flies and lives. Some verbs are made up of more than one word. For example, Morgan is running fast. The dog is wagging its tail. The lion cubs are sleeping under a tree. The words is running, is wagging, are sleeping. So, what the nouns Morgan, dog and lion cubs are doing? Children, are you clear? When the noun or pronoun is singular, the verb should be singular. When the noun or pronoun is plural, should be in plural. The verb should be in plural. And the verbs are words which tells us what the person, animal or thing does. Children, take page number 55, Roman number A. Circle the verbs in the following sentences. First one, Rama eats chocolates. Rama eats chocolates. In this sentence, what Rama is doing? Rama eats chocolates. So, what's the action word here? Eats. So, eats is called verb. Second one, the beggar is asking for money. The beggar is asking for money. What the beggar is doing? The beggar is asking for money. He is asking money. So what's the action word here? Asking. So is asking is called verb. The noun is singular. So the verb is also singular in the second sentence. Third one, the boys play in the field. The boys play in the field. So what's the action word here? Play. So the boys play in the field. What are they doing? They play in the field. Play is the action word here. Fourth one, she is teaching the students. She is teaching the students. What she does? She is teaching. Here the noun is singular, so the verb is plural. Some verbs are made up of more than one word. Fifth one, the mouse eats cheese. The mouse eats cheese. What the mouse does? The mouse eats cheese. So what's the action word? Eats. So eats is a verb. Sixth one, my friends are coming for dinner. My friends are coming for dinner. So the noun is plural, so the verb is also plural. Friends are coming for dinner. So what's the verb here? Coming is the verb. So you have to circle coming. Seventh one, Meena is blowing a balloon. Meena is blowing a balloon. So what's the action word here? Blowing. Blowing is an action word. So you have to circle the verb blowing. Eighth one, my mother bakes cakes for me. My mother bakes cakes for me. So what mother does? She bakes cakes. So what's the action word here? Bakes. So you have to circle bakes as a verb. Children, you have to circle the verbs in these sentences. First one, eats. E-A-T-S. Eats. Second one, asking. A-S-K-I-N-G. Asking. Third one, play. P-L-A-Y. Play. Fourth one, is teaching. Teaching. Fifth one, eats. 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 Sixth one, are coming. 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 Seventh one is blowing. Is blowing. Is blowing. Eighth one, bakes. 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 Children, like that you have to find out the verb. So first you pick out the noun or pronoun, then find the word which shows what action the noun or the pronoun is doing. For example, the first sentence is Rama eats chocolate. So Rama is the noun. The word eats tells us what action he is doing. Therefore, eats is a verb. Second one, the beggar is asking for money. The beggar is the noun. The word is asking tells us what the action he is doing. So, therefore, is asking is the verb. So, you have to circle the verb asking. Third one, the boys play in the field. Here, the boys are the noun. The word play tells us what the boys are doing. They play in the field. So, play is the verb. Fourth one, she is teaching the students. Here, she is the noun. The word is teaching tells us what the action she is doing. She is teaching. So teaching is the verb. So you have to circle. Fifth one, the mouse eats cheese. Here the mouse is the noun. The word eats tells us what the action he does. So eats is the verb. So you have to circle eats. My friends are coming for dinner. So my friends are the noun. The word are coming tells us so what the action they are doing. They are coming for dinner. So you have to circle the verb coming. Meena is blowing a balloon. So Meena is the noun. The word blowing tells us what the action she is doing. She is blowing a balloon. So blowing is a verb. So you have to circle. Eighth one, my mother bakes cakes for me. So my mother is the noun. The word bakes tells us what the action she is doing. She bakes cakes. So bakes is a verb. You have to circle. Next, page number 55, Roman number B. Fill in the blanks with the correct words from the box. So at first, read the clue words, then go to the exercise. Okay, children? First one, it is difficult to dash a cake. It is difficult to dash a cake. What's the answer? Bake. First one is bake. B-A-K-E. Bake. It is difficult to bake a cake. Second one, always dash when the traffic light turns red. Always dash when the traffic light turns red. Traffic light shows red color means what's the meaning? You have to stop the vehicle. So you have to wait for the green signal. Okay. So what's the answer? Stop. S-T-O-P. Stop. Always stop when the traffic light turns red. Third one, I am dash flowers for my mother. I am dash flowers for my mother. See the help box. Buying, throws, washes, talk, stop, playing, bake is cooking. What will come? Buying. I am buying flowers for my mother. B-U-Y-I-N-G. Buying is the answer for the third question. Fourth one, Rohan dash the ball for his dog. Rohan dash the ball for his dog. Use the help box and find out the words, correct words. You have to fill in the blanks. So Rohan throws, THROWS, throws the ball for his dog. Rohan throws the ball for his dog. Fifth one, Neetu dash her hands before eating. Neetu dash her hands before eating. Before you are going to eat, what you have to do? You have to wash your hands, no? So here also need to wash your hands before eating. WASH only, okay? Sixth one, mother dash my favorite meal. Mother dash my favorite meal. So is cooking. Mother is cooking my favorite meal. IS is cooking. COOKING, cooking my favorite meal. Here the noun is also plural, so the verb is also plural, is cooking. Okay, are you clear, children? Seventh one, they were dash together. They were dash together. So here they were playing together. Help of the clue box, you have to find out the correct answer. So they were playing, PLAYING, playing together. Here the nouns also plural, so the verb also plural. Okay, they were playing together. Do not dash loudly in class. Do not dash loudly in class. So what's the answer? Talk, TALK, talk. Do not talk loudly in class. Do not talk loudly in class. Okay, are you clear, children? Children, now we are move on to next book exercises, page number 55. Let us write. Look at the picture and write what is happening. One is done for you. So you have to see this picture and write what is happening. This one, according to your imagination, you have to write the appropriate sentences. Okay, the first one, the train is entering the station. Many people are standing on the platform waiting for the train. Now they will get up on it. We always stand behind the yellow line on the platform while waiting the train. We are waiting patiently for the doors of the compartment to open. My mother and I are hoping to get seats since we have a long way to go. Okay, so like that you have to write the answer for this question. Okay, children, I gave the answer. Before you have to write the answer on your own. See this picture clearly and imagine yourself. Before you are going to write in your book, take a rough note and write rough copy in your book. After that, compare with my answer. So you have to find out what the mistakes you made. So after that you have to copy in your book. Okay, I write the answers in our book, but it's not clear, so I gave separate copy. So you have to copy down without any mistakes. Okay, once again I read out. The train is entering the station. Many people are standing on the platform, PLAT, platform, FORM, form, waiting for the train. Now they will get up on it. We always stand behind the yellow line on the platform while waiting for the train. WAITING, waiting for the train. We are waiting patiently, patiently, patiently for the train. We are waiting patiently for the doors of the compartment, compartment, compartment to open. My mother and I are hoping to get seats since we have a long way to go. Are you clear, children? Up to this, our first part is over. We finished the verbs. Next, we move on to our topic, part 2, am, is, are. Now, we are going to see part 2, am, is, are. Okay? You have learnt that am, are and is are verbs which show that something is happening at the present time. Each of them is used with different kinds of nouns and pronouns. Children, take page number 56, our new topic, am, is, are. You have learned that am, are and is are verbs which show that something is happening at the present time. Each of them is used with different kinds of nouns and pronouns. For example, am. Read these sentences. First one, I am a cyclist, I am a dancer, I am a singer, like that. Okay. Second one, I am a Freddy, I am a dog, I am a kitty, I am a cat. Third one, I am Santa, I am Ram, I am Sasi, I am Sita, I am a girl, I am a boy. Like that, we are using am. We use the verb am with pronoun I. Once again, repeat, children. We use the verb am which the pronoun I. Now we are going to see the verb is. We use the verb is with singular nouns, the pronouns he, she and it, and with this and that. நம்ம ஈஸ் எங்கெல்லாம் யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம்? சிங்குலர் நவுன்ஸ்க்கும் ப்ரோனவுன்ஸ்க்கும். என்னதுக்கெலாம்? ஹீ, ஷீ, இட்டுக்கும், திஸ், தட்டுக்கும் நம்ம ஈஸ் யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம். ஓகே, ரீட் தீஸ் சென்டென்சஸ். First one, he is a boy, she is a tennis player, this box is heavy, she is dancing very well, she is singing very well, she is a good student, she is a good player, she is a good news reader. Like that we are using no. So we use the verb is with singular nouns, the pronouns he, she and it, and with this and that. Okay. Now take page number 57. Now we are going to see the verb are, A-R-E-R. We use the verb are with plural nouns, the pronoun you, we and they, and with these, those and their. Okay. நம்ம ஆர் எங்கெல்லாம் யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம்? ஆறு வந்து ப்ளூரல் நவுன்ஸ். ஆறுங்கிற வேர்ப் வந்து ப்ளூரல் நவுன்ஸ்க்கு யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம். என்னென்ன ப்ரோ நவுன்க்கெலாம் யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம் அப்படின்னா யூ, வி, தே, திஸ், தீஸ், தோஸ், தேர், இதுக்கு எல்லாமே நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம். See the example. We are friends. We are in Shimla. They are 4 of us. Second one, you are also in Shimla. Your coat and cap are pretty. Third one, these are our cats. They are cute. Now we are going to see our book exercises. Roman number A, fill in the blanks with is, am, or are. A-R-E-R. First one, she is a good student. Okay. Third person singular, we are using is. What are all the third person? He, she, it. இந்த he, she, it இது மூணு வந்தால் அது தேர்ட் பர்சன் சிங்குலர். he, she, it வந்தாவே நம்ம ஈஸ் தான் யூஸ் பண்ணணும். சிங்குலராக இருந்தால் ஈஸ். Second one, I dash in 30th today. So I means what will come? Am. So what's the answer? I am in 30th today. Third one, he dash sad today. So what's the answer? Children, can you guess? Yes, is. Is the answer. He is sad today. He is sad today. Fourth one, dash you a fan of Virat Kohli, the cricketer? Once again I repeat children, dash you a fan of Virat Kohli, the cricketer? Children, can you understand the questions? நீங்கள் வந்து விராட் கோலியோட ஃபேனா அப்படின்னு கேட்குறாங்க. ஓகே, இட்ஸ் கொஷின். ஸோ இன் திஸ் கொஷின் ஆஸ்கிங் கொஷின் டு யூ. ஸோ யூனா என்ன வரணும்? ஆர். ஸோ ஆர் யூ a fan of Virat Kohli, the cricketer? So what's the answer? Are. A-R-E. Are you a fan of Virat Kohli, the cricketer? The fifth question, where dash they? Dash they in the cinema hall. Once again I repeat children, where dash they? Dash they in the cinema hall? In this question also they are asking question to you. So where are they? அவங்கெல்லாம் எங்கே? Where are they? Are they in the cinema hall? அவங்க எல்லாம் சினிமா ஹாலில் இருக்காங்களா? தேட்டரில் இருக்காங்களா? Like that they are asking questions. So the answer is, where are they? Are they in the cinema hall? Where are they? Are they in the cinema hall? The sixth question, Swati dash the oldest of the three sisters. Swati dash the oldest of the three sisters. So Swati is a girl. So what will come? Am or is? What's the answer? Is the answer. So Swati is the oldest of the three sisters. Once again I repeat children, Swati is the oldest of the three sisters. Seventh question, I dash very happy today. I dash very happy today. So what's the answer? I வந்திருக்கு, அப்போ என்ன வரும்? Am, is, are? Very good. Am. I am very happy today. Once again I repeat children, I am very happy today. Eighth one, you dash very tall. You dash very tall. You. அப்போ என்ன வரும்? Am, is, are? You வந்தாவே are. So you are very tall. So what's the answer? Are. A-R-E. Are. You are very tall. Once again repeat children, you are very tall. Children, are you clear the first Roman? Fill in the blanks with am, is, are. Are you clear? Now next we move on to the next book exercises. Roman number B. Fill in the blanks with the correct options. So there is the option. According to the question, you have to choose the correct option and write in the dash. Okay. First one, I dash a good girl. I dash a good girl. What are the options? Am, is. So I வந்திருக்கு, அப்போ என்ன வரும்? Am. So I am a good girl. So what's the answer? I am a good girl. Second one, she dash 8 years old. She dash 8 years old. What are the option? Is, are. So what's the answer? Is. She is 8 years old. She is 8 years old. Third one, they dash my friends. They dash my friends. What are the option? Is, are. Where we use is? Singular means we use is. Plural means we use are. So இங்கே they வந்திருக்கு. They singular plural? Plural. So which one we have to use? Is use பண்ணுமா இல்லை are use பண்ணுமா? Yes, pluralனா are. You, they வந்தாவே நம்ம என்ன யூஸ் பண்ணணும்? are வரும். are தான் யூஸ் பண்ணணும். he, she, itலாம் நம்ம is யூஸ் பண்ணலாம். ஸோ இந்த தேர்ட் கொஷனில் they dash my friends, அவங்க எல்லாரும் என் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் அப்படின்னு சொல்லணும் நீங்கள். ஸோ ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸுனால் நிறைய ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் இருப்பாங்க. ஸோ யூ ஹாவ் டு சூஸ் ஆர். அதுதான் கரெக்டான ஆன்சர். ஸோ வாட்ஸ் த ஆன்சர்? தே ஆர் மை ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ். தே ஆர் மை ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ். Fourth one, he dash a footballer. He dash a footballer. அவன் ஃபுட்பால் பிளேயர் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. ஹீனா பாய் ஆர் மேன், அவங்க வந்து ஒரு ஃபுட்பால் பிளேயர் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. இது வந்து சிங்குலரில் இருக்கா ப்ளூரலில் இருக்கா? ஹீங்கிறது ஒரு பாய் இல்லைன்னா ஒரு மேன். ஸோ அப்போ சிங்குலர். சிங்குலர்னால் நம்ம என்ன யூஸ் பண்ணணும்? ஈஸ். அது இல்லாமல் ஹீ, ஷீ, இட் வந்தாலும் நம்ம ஈஸ் தான் யூஸ் பண்ணணும். ஸோ இட்ஸ் a singular. So what's the answer? Is. He is a footballer. He is a footballer. He is a footballer. Next, fifth one. This toy dash broken. This toy dash broken. இந்த பொம்மை உடஞ்சிடுச்சு அப்படின்னு பர்டிகுலராக சொல்கிறாங்க. திஸ் டாய் அப்படின்றதுனால இது சிங்குலரா ப்ளூரலா? சிங்குலர். ஸோ ஈஸ் வருமா ஆர் வருமா? சிங்குலர் மீன்ஸ் we have to choose is. Okay, so this toy is broken. இந்த டாய் உடஞ்சிருச்சு அப்படின்னு பர்டிகுலராக சொல்கிறாங்க. ஸோ டாய்னு சிங்குலரில் இருக்குது. ஸோ அதனால் நம்ம ஈஸ் சூஸ் பண்ணுறோம். This toy is broken. This toy is broken. Sixth one, I dash a cartoonist. I dash a cartoonist. ஸோ இந்த கொஷனில் நான் வந்து கார்ட்டூனிஸ்ட் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறோம். ஸோ ஐ வந்தால் என்ன யூஸ் பண்ணணும்? ஆமா ஆரா? எஸ், ஆம். So I am a cartoonist. What's the answer? I am a cartoonist. I am a cartoonist. Seventh question. My hobbies dash collecting stamps and drawing. My hobbies dash collecting stamps and drawing. So in this question, என்னோடய ஹாபீஸ் வந்து ஸ்டாம்ப் கலெக்ட் பண்ணுறதும் ட்ராயிங் பண்ணுறது தான் என்னோடய ஹாபீஸ் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. ஸோ அப்போ என்ன ஒரு ஹாபீஸ் அப்படின்னு ப்ளூரல் வந்திருக்கு. ப்ளூரல் வந்தனால ஹாபீஸ்னால் நிறையா இருக்கலாம். ஸ்டாம்ப் கலெக்ட் பண்ணுறது இருக்கலாம், ட்ராயிங் பண்ணுறது இருக்கலாம், வாட்சிங் டிவி, பிளேயிங், இல்லைனா டான்ஸிங், சிங்கிங், அந்த மாதிரி நிறைய ஹாபீஸ் இருக்கலாம். நீங்கள் ஃப்ரீயாக இருக்க டைமில் பண்ணுறது, உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்ச விஷயங்களை பண்ணுறது தான் ஹாபீஸ்ன்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. ஸோ அந்த மாதிரி நிறைய விஷயங்களும் இருக்கலாம். ஸோ ஹாபீஸுங்கிறது ப்ளூரல். ஸோ அப்போ என்ன வரும் ப்ளூரல்னா? ஈஸா ஆரா? So R is the answer. My hobbies are collecting stamps and drawing. My hobbies are collecting stamps and drawing. My hobbies are collecting stamps and drawing. Eighth one, many people dash fond of Rupesh. Many people dash fond of Rupesh. So what's the answer? Is a ara. So many people. So it's a plural. So we have to choose R. A-R-A-R. Many people are fond of Rupesh. Okay. Okay children, like that you have to fill in the blanks with the correct options in your book. Next, page number 58. Let us write. So you have to write the answer for these questions. First one, answer these questions. First question, which school do you go to? Which school do you go to? The answer is I study in Trinity International School, CBSE. I study in Trinity International School, CBSE. Second question, which class are you in? Which class are you in? The answer is I am in class 3. I am in class 3. Third question, what is the name of your class teacher? What is the name of your class teacher? The name of my class teacher is Mrs. அப்படின் போட்டு உங்கள் class teacher name நீங்கள் எழுதணும். Okay. Name of my class teacher is Mrs. Dharani, Mrs. Soumya, Mrs. Gautami. Like that you have to write in your book. Okay. Fourth question, how many students are there in your class? How many students are there in your class? There are 26 students in my class. So what's the answer? There are 26 students in my class. The fifth question is, who is your best friend in school? Who is your best friend in school? My best friend is அப்படின் போட்டு you have to write your best friend name. Who is your best friend in school? ஸ்கூலில் யார் உனக்கு பெஸ்ட் ஃப்ரெண்ட்னு கேட்டிருக்காங்க. ஸோ ஸ்கூலில் இருக்க உன்னோட பெஸ்ட் ஃப்ரெண்டோட நேம் எழுதணும். ஒரு நேம் தான் எழுதணும். ஏன் அப்படின்னா ஃப்ரெண்டுன்னு கேட்டிருக்காங்க, ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸுன்னு கேட்கல. ஓகே. ஸோ யூ ஹாவ் டு ரைட் எனி ஒன் name of your best friend. Okay. What subject? Sixth question, what subjects do you study? What subjects do you study? I study English, Maths, EVS and Hindi. Subjects கேட்டிருக்கனால so you have to write நீங்கள் படிக்கிற எல்லா சப்ஜெக்ட்ஸ் நேமும் எழுதணும். Okay. What subjects do you study? I study English, Maths, EVS and Hindi. Seventh question, which is your favorite subject? Which is your favorite subject? My favorite subject is, you have to write according to your will and wish. உங்களுக்கு என்ன சப்ஜெக்ட் பிடிக்குமோ அதை நீங்கள் எழுதிக்கலாம். தமிழ், இங்கிலீஷ், மேக்ஸ், இவிஎஸ், ஹிந்தி என்ன வேணால் நீங்கள் எழுதிக்கலாம். So I write English. Okay. Which is your favorite subject? My favorite subject is English. Okay. Are you clear children? I hope you have understood. Like that you have to write in your book answer for these questions. Children, I hope you have understood the topics part 1 verbs and the part 2 am, is, are. So you have to write the book exercises according to my instruction. Before you are going to write in your book, take a good pencil and sharpen it. because I want good handwriting with neat presentation. Maintain your book neatly. Okay? If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Thank you, children.